Hi everyone, my name is Phang Mei Thing and my matrix number is 293084. Today, I will be presenting my individual assignment on IT project management. My presentation is focusing on risk management in IT project, strategy and tools. Let me explain the definition. Risk management in IT project is defined as the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to any risks that arise during an IT project to help the project remain on track and meet the goal. There are four types of risk in IT project management. First, we have technical risks. These are issues related to the technology used in the project, such as software or hardware failure, integration problems, performance issues, and the use of inadequate technology to meet project requirements. Next are business risks, which impact the overall business. These include market change that can affect the project viability, budget constraint, shift in the business priority, and the potential failure to achieve business objectives. Organizational risks involve internal issues within the organization. This can be change in the organizational structure, the availability of necessary resources, internal politics and conflict, and resistance to change among the staff. Lastly, we have project management risks, which related to the management of the project itself. These risks include poor planning and scheduling, inadequate control and monitoring of the project, ineffective communication, and a lack of skilled project management personnel. Effective risk management in IT project is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances decision making by enabling project manager to identify and assess potential risks early, allowing for informed choices throughout project execution. Secondly, it optimizes resource by focusing them on critical areas, thereby reducing waste and enhancing overall efficiency. Thirdly, proactive risk management builds stakeholders' confidence, fostering trust among clients, team members, and investors. Lastly, it significantly contributes to the project success by mitigating risk and ensuring contingency plans are in place, thereby increasing the likelihood of completing project on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standard. There are six crucial steps in risk management in IT project, which are planning risk management, identifying risk, performing qualitative risk analysis, performing quantitative risk analysis, planning risk response, and monitoring and controlling risk. Planning risk management is the process of making a plan for how risk management will be conducted throughout the project. Tools used include the Risk Management Plan and Risk Breakdown Structure (RBS). A risk management plan is a standardized document outlining procedure for managing risk throughout the project. Risk breakdown structure is a hierarchy of potential risk categories for a project, including factors such as project phase, department, or type of risk. Identifying risk is the process of understanding the potential events that could impact the project. Tools used for this process include brainstorming and Delphi technique. Brainstorming is a process where a group spontaneously generates ideas to solve a specific problem without judgment. The Delphi technique involves deriving a consensus among a panel of experts who make predictions about future development. Performing qualitative risk analysis involves assessing the probability and impact of identified risks to determine their magnitude and priority. Tools used include the probability and impact matrix and top 10 risk item tracking. A probability and impact matrix lists the relative probability of a risk occurring on one axis and the relative impact of the risk on the other. It is used to evaluate and categorize risks based on their probability of occurrence and impact on project objective. Top 10 risk item tracking involves establishing regular reviews of the project major risks with both management and the customer. It focuses on maintaining a consistently updated list that highlight the top 10 risks. Performing quantitative risk analysis involves numerically analyzing the effect of identified risks on the project. Tools used include decision trees and simulation. A decision tree is a diagramming analysis technique used to choose the best course of action in situations with uncertain outcome by evaluating different decision paths and associated risks. Simulation is a diagramming analysis technique used to select the optimal course of action in situations characterized by uncertain outcome. It involves evaluating various decision paths and associated risks to make informed decisions. Planning risk response involves developing strategy to address identified risks and opportunities. Tools used include risk response strategies. A risk response strategy involves several approaches to managing identified risks. Risk avoidance eliminates threats by removing their causes, such as using familiar technology to avoid unfamiliarity-related risks. Risk acceptance means preparing for consequences or passively accepting outcome. Risk transference shifts responsibility to third parties, often through insurance or warranties. Risk mitigation reduces the impact or likelihood of risk by using strategies like proven technology and maintenance agreement. Monitoring and controlling risk involve continuously tracking and evaluating risk throughout the project lifecycle. Tools used for this include risk reassessment and risk audit. Risk reassessment involves identifying new risks and reassessing current ones to identify any change in their status or impact. A risk audit refers to formal evaluation conducted to assess the effectiveness of a project risk management processes and procedure. Consider the 2013 data breach at Target Corporation, where hackers gained unauthorized access to customer payment card data. In response, Target Corporation implemented a comprehensive risk management plan including regular risk assessment, vulnerability scan, and penetration testing of its IT system. This proactive measure aimed to identify potential vulnerabilities early on, prioritize security measures, and allocate resources effectively to mitigate risk before exploitation. The challenges in IT project risk management include the complexity of project driven by rapid technological changes, diverse stakeholders' interests, and integration challenges. Uncertainty and unpredictability complicate risk assessment and mitigation, making it challenging to predict the exact nature and impact of risk. Resource constraints such as limited time, budget, and human resources further hinder comprehensive risk management effort. Best practices in risk management include yearly and continuous risk management throughout the project lifecycle. Stakeholder involvement is crucial for identifying and addressing risk effectively, ensuring alignment with project objective and stakeholder expectation. Regular risk reviews allow for ongoing assessment and adjustment of risk management strategies based on evolving project dynamics. The use of tools and technology such as risk management plan, probability and impact matrices, decision trees, and automated risk assessment tools enhance the accuracy and efficiencies of risk management processes, facilitating proactive risk identification and mitigation. To sum up, effective risk management is integral to the success of IT projects. By understanding and addressing risk early, we can ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and meet quality standards. Thank you for your attention.